Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been out for a little while, but I am back with a new subscription. I took a break from Ipsy for right now, but I subscribed to the subscription called Allure. I don't think the YouTube videos on this subscription are very popular, but I'm not doing it for that. I'm just doing it to share my experience and how I feel about this subscriptions and products. So I'm still gonna go ahead and keep going with this video while I'm subscribed to it. I subscribed in March, I believe. So yes, I subscribed to Allure on March, and I guess this super deal. I believe every time you're new to the subscription, you're pretty much you get a really good discount, and it happened with me during March, and I got 10 items for $18 up. So I'm so excited. I haven't been really using the products yet because I did open the box. I know what is inside, but I wanted to share with you what I got. So if you want to see what I got, then keep watching. So this is how the box looks like, and it's really heavy because, like I said, I got 10 items. And excuse my hair right now, I just washed it and I really didn't have time to dry it. I'm gonna be heading to work in a second, but I still want to make this video really quick just for you. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is how the box is inside, and of course it comes with some pamphlets and promotions of certain products they have in the box. So we'll see what I got. I kind of forgot already because this is March. I have the one for April, and I did cancel the one for May just for the month. And I don't know why I did it, because it's my birthday, so it should have been the other way, but whatever. I am actually happy that I canceled it for May because I saw what the products are and I'm not too crazy about it. So it was a good idea to do it. Let's see, apparently the first item I got in here is a Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. And this is how it shows in the book. Here it is, the mascara. I never heard of this brand called Blink, but I'm pretty sure it's probably high-end. And this is what the brush looks like. Let's see if you can take a look. It is a nice brush. I like it, and it doesn't look clumpy, so I'm excited to try it. And let's go ahead for the other item. Next one I got is Shanny Darden Retinol Reform, and this is an award winner from Allure, including that mascara I just showed you. So here's the item, and I am getting just a sample, deluxe sample, because it's pretty small. And yep, is this little tube. I'm not gonna try it out right now because this is a product I never used before, so we're gonna start using it at night and see how it goes. Next product that I got is this Alpha H Liquid Gold with Glycolic acid. I have never heard of this brand either. This is how it shows in the paper, and let's see, it's supposed to be also glycolic acid to dissolve dead skin cells and licorice root extract to brighten. This is a full-size product. This is what the box looks like. And let's see the bottle. It's a nice, really big size. It's gonna take a while to use it. It seems like it's gonna be used almost like if it was a toner. So it will take a little while before I finish that one. And let's see what else I got. Augustinus Bather, the rich cream. I know I'm probably not saying it right, but this is a cream, a major multitasker containing amino acids, vitamins, aquilane, and hyaluronic acid. Get ready for another long list. Smooth, brighten, hydrate, and soothe. So this is just a cream. The retail price for this one is $280. Oh boy, okay. That's and so I got a little sample here, 7 milliliters. The full size is 50 milliliters. So it's just like a little tester, but $280 for a cream. Dang, that's expensive. And this is a little trial. I hope I don't like it because I don't want to spend that much money for a cream. The next item is a Aiko Double Act Shadow Stick in Dusk and Dawn, and including a what's it called, pencil sharpener. It's a cute pencil sharpener and with a double side shadow stick. This is what it looks like, and the pencil sharpener. The other items that are in here is because I was a subscriber, I guess, a new subscriber. So they made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. This is gonna be, no, 6, 7 items. So there's 7 items. There's 2 extra ones that are not in the paper, and one of them is a clarifying scalp scrub, and it's Perfect Shine. I believe that's the brand. No, the brand is Nature Lab from Tokyo. So this is a container, and the other sample, deluxe sample, is this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is what the bottle looks like, and I'm excited about it. I like this cleanser a lot, so I'm gonna be using it. And now we're going with the 3 extra items that they add because I am a new subscriber. So that makes up 10 items, guys, for $18. That was a steal. And the product that I'm opening right here already is called Light-Hearted Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen from Sunday Riley. That is a nice expensive brand, and I got it for free. Let's see the container. I'm pretty sure this is basically full size. It's perfect size to carry with me. Very nice. I want to see how strong the scent is, because obviously this is for the face, so it doesn't have a strong scent of SPF or sunscreen. So oh, it has actually a very light flower scent. I just can't tell what type of flower but it smells really good and very light. Like, it's not a strong scent where you wouldn't like it. It's very light scent, and I really like that. And the other one that I got for free is a 5 stars retinoid plus niacinamide eye serum from Sunday Riley. Again, guys, $18 for the whole box. I almost feel bad. I almost feel bad that I got all this for $18. Like, if you haven't signed up for this subscription, I would say wait to find this great deal. It seems like they usually, for the first subscribers, they have great deals every month for no subscribers, but this one, it was really good. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a really big container, so it's gonna take a while before I finish this one, and I do not want to squeeze it out because I have plenty of eye creams open already, so it's gonna take a little bit for me to start this one, but I can't wait to try it out and see how good it is. And last but not least, the last item that they send me for free for first subscriber, like I said, is this one, Pixie and Petra Lip Glow. This is what a package looks like. And let's take it out. And this one I am gonna try it because I'm not gonna wait on this one. Okay, it's coming up. And now let's take a look. Oh, this is really cute. This is really nice lip tint. I love it. perfect for the summer coming up. And yeah guys, that's all I got for this box. And that was it guys. Keep an eye for those months that they might be offering some nice products that you will be really interested on. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. All you have to do is push that red button on the side and you will be subscribed to my channel. I will be coming with more videos for you. And please don't forget to share with your friends. I send you lots of besos and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!